I wish someone would have told me these tips when I was starting out as a makeup beginner. Now that I'm a professional makeup artist, I am sharing these with you so that you know better than me as a makeup beginner than I did. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all tips which I wish someone would have told me when I was starting out as a makeup beginner, and these are some tips which will help you out if you are a makeup beginner as well. So let's start with the first tip. When I was first starting out with makeup, online makeup was not a big deal, but it was just starting to get in trend. So this is around 2014 to 2016 is what I'm talking about. So in the starting, I used to see people buying makeup online like crazy and having hauls, but that is not how it works in the real life. Okay, you cannot buy everything. Bloggers are able to do that because they get PR, but you cannot. You cannot spend that much money, especially if you're a teenager and you are like living on your pocket money. Okay, so the first lesson which I wish someone had told me is that you don't need to buy everything. You need to buy smarter things which can be multi-used. So buy things which you know will give you more than one use, and you will be able to get your money's full worth out of them. If you have been following me for a while, you would know that on this channel I promote a lot of multi-using makeup. Okay, so I really believe in the fact that you don't need to be restricting yourself in creating looks just because you don't have certain products. You can use what you already have and multi-use it. For example, you can do your entire face with your eyeshadow. You can do your entire face of makeup with just a face palette. I have videos you can go and watch and as to how you can do that. You can use your lipstick as a blush, your eyeshadow as your highlighter, your eyeshadow as your eyebrow powder. You can use a lot of things in multiple ways so that you will get the looks that you desire. So please don't feel that you need to buy everything. Buy the things that you very much need and use them to their ultimate level, and make their money's worth out. The second tip which I wish someone would have told me when I was starting out is that know your face shape, know your eye shape, know your skin type, know everything about your facial features. Okay, now this is very important, again something no one talks about. When you are starting out with makeup, you need to understand the basics about your face in order to do makeup as per your face shape. Okay, just because some blogger is doing it does not mean you have to do it. Okay, if they are doing it as per their face shape, not yours. So you need to understand the different types of face shapes, different types of eye shapes, and understand which one is yours. The easy way out on this is you can get a paid makeup course with a makeup artist or a makeup expert. I will shamelessly promote myself right here. Yes, I do provide self-grooming classes. So if you want to contact me for that, you can find the details in the description. But anyways, if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to invest that much, then you can also find things online, obviously. But you will have to figure it out. It will not be given to you straight away. You will have to watch multiple videos to figure that out. But it is very important. Why? Because of a square face shape or an oval face shape, and you are doing makeup which suits a round face shape, then obviously it will not suit you. Okay, it will only suit a person who has a round face shape, and you will not end up liking, and you will be thinking, what am I doing wrong, what am I doing wrong, using the wrong technique. So know your eye shape. There are many people who have big eyes, who have small eyes. Figure out if they are hooded or not. Figure out which type of makeup would suit your eye shape. And most importantly, know your skin type. Okay, now oily, combination, sensitive, acne prone, dry, which one is yours? Okay, because a lot of the makeup products that you are going to be buying are going to be based on your skin type. So you need to know your skin type before investing that much money into any makeup product. So this is a very, very crucial tip. Please make sure that you know these things before investing into makeup, and try to learn about the makeup techniques regarding these in order for you to have a very good makeup tip. Now the third makeup tip which I wish someone would have told me is that it is not the products, it's the techniques. Okay, now what I mean by that is there are many makeup products which can be made to work. Okay, if you know the right techniques. Invest your time in learning makeup techniques instead of just buying different products thinking that this product is not working, this product has a problem. No, you don't know the makeup technique to make it work. I can tell you this very honestly that if you know makeup techniques really well, then you can make most of the products work. There are very few products which you will not be able to make them work if they have like no pigmentation, they are absolutely dud. Only then is when you will be like, "Nay, this is not working at all." But in most cases, you will be able to make them work. Instead, invest your time in learning the correct makeup techniques, and based on the techniques that you like and the looks that you like, invest in products that you think are worth your money. Okay, so that was my third makeup tip. The next makeup tip I wish someone would have told me when I was just starting out as a beginner is that just because a makeup product is very viral, it's very hyped up, does not mean you will like it. Okay, so it is going to be a very good chance that some product is very renowned, very known, very loved by everyone, but it doesn't seem to be working for you, and that is okay. Why does that happen? Because it is not suiting your face shape, your skin type, or your makeup preference. It is one of these reasons that it is not suiting you. So it is not your fault, or it is not the product's fault that it is not working. It is just that it is not suitable for you. It might be suitable for someone else. And similarly, there might be a product which you absolutely love and everyone else is hating it, but you love it. So it is okay for that to happen. It does not mean that you're built different or anything like that. Do not just blindly trust if a product is viral that it is going to be working. The last tip which I wish someone would have told me when I was just starting out as a makeup beginner is that invest in good brushes instead of makeup products. Okay, so many people try to find that magic product which is going to just do wonders for them, is going to work like magic for them. Don't go behind that product. Invest in a good brush instead. Invest in a good eye brush, like a blending brush, a good foundation blending brush, a good eyeshadow shader brush, everything. Because you will need those brushes to get an amazing look. I can assure you that if you have a mediocre product but an amazing brush, that mediocre product will look great on you because that brush and the technique that you know will make it happen. But if you have a mediocre brush and an amazing product, that product will not be giving its best potential to you because it is not being applied properly with the mediocre brush. Okay, so I hope you get my point in this. And also, brushes are the best investment in makeup because they will last you a very long time. Trust me when I say this, if you're going to buy even an expensive brush, at least buy from brands like PAC, ProArt, mediocre brands. Like even if like you're not going to go that high, at least Due Care. There's a brand on Amazon called Due Care. Even that provides you good enough brushes. So buy from such brands, okay? Because they will give you an amazing finish instead of trying to find that magical product which will do wonders for you. If you have been a regular watcher of my channel, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each and every video of mine. In today's video, my bonus tip for you is that find an influencer which has a similar face shape to yours and a similar eye shape, skin type to yours. Basically, they are a lot more looking similar to you and also have a similar skin type, and preferably live in a similar place to yours. Like if you live in India, so they also live in India, because what this will do is you will be able to relate to them. You will be able to get better recommendations. If you have a round face shape and someone that you are following has an oval face shape, so the makeup techniques that you will follow from them are not going to work for you. So this is the reason, try to find influencers who look similar to you so that it will be helpful for you to do makeup techniques that work on. So that was all for today. I hope you guys liked today's video and learned something new from it. If you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'm also very active on Instagram. You can follow me over there as well. Also, I would like to know which of these tips is the most relatable to you. Let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you would like to see a part 2 of this video, because I definitely have a lot more things which I wish someone would have told me when I was a beginner. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Till next time, bye bye.